everybody, today we're going to talk about lug nuts. Please stop using impacts or long breaker bars to install lug nuts. Use a torque wrench. This is a cheap click type torque wrench. You can rent it from any auto parts store just about, or you can buy them fairly cheap. It saves a lot of hassle and a lot of time down the road. Over tightening your lug nuts can cause premature rotor warpage. Also can stretch the studs. Also, it can make it so you can't get these off on the side of the road when you have a flat tire, leaving you stuck, or when you're trying to service your vehicle. It's very important to set these to the proper torque. All you have to do is Google your year, make, and model, say lug nut torque specs, and it'll pop right up. It's not a big deal, but over tightening these cause major issues. When you bring it to a shop, make sure to ask the technician, hey, can you use a click type torque wrench to install my lug nuts? If they say no, find another shop. They're not your guy or girl, you know. And a lot of people use torque sticks. I don't trust them. These impacts are a lot stronger than they used to be. I believe they overpower the torque sticks, and I don't trust them. I've been doing it like this for over 20 years, and I'm going to continue to do it like this. It's tried and true, and even if my torque wrench is uncalibrated, it's still close enough that I know it's not going to over-tighten it to the point where it causes problems. So, hopefully this is some good information and it helps some people in the future. Like, share, follow, subscribe. I appreciate every one of you. Have a great day.